It's the first laboratory medicine museum. If we compare the human body to a universe, then the health secret need to be gained by detection. Detection lacks the doctor's eyes. The detection device is necessary. Let's take a look at the vitro diagnostic instrument production line. The in vitro diagnostic industrial park will be built in 3 phases. It needs reagents, instruments, and intelligent control. Then the detection can be completed. After overcoming bottleneck technology, adopting dependent intellectual property, it reaches a relatively advanced level worldwide. The project includes fully automatic production line and diagnosis device production line of immunity, microbes, molecular. The application of these automatic robots will make it to be an advanced diagnosis device production base. This is an automatic detection system. When we suspect which sample is abnormal, the manipulator will pick it into the trajectory to detect, again. It needs reagents, instruments, and intelligent control. With the software system, we call it the intelligent control system. We can clearly know the daily detection volume and status to ensure the production line works normally, and send command after error occurs. The diagnosis medicine moves from experiment to clinic, from manual to intelligent. Technology brings a healthy and brilliant life.